What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that I've mentioned before, and I want to look at the progress since we've seen that video go live and what has happened on Solana, what it's doing for Solana, because honestly, it's doing good things for the Solana chain, Solana investors, people that believe in the network overall. So I want to take you through what's going on right now. If you could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos, definitely go ahead and do that. I will also provide all of the links for Pandaswap down below when it comes to the website, the charting, just everything that you need to know. Feel free to check out those links at the top of the description. Now, the team for Pandaswap has spent months developing a fast swap for Solana on Solana. And the project has been live for about 5 months with the team actively building and developing throughout. So if we take you through just the website really quick, just to show you and kind of go through that, we'll start there. Pandaswap, lightning fast launch, create and swap. You can buy now. If you wanted to go ahead and buy now, you can buy on Radium, you can buy on MEXC, you can buy on Bitmart. This is the position Panda itself. It's not just the swap mechanism, which they do have multiple things of. You also have information about Panda, fast as lightning, launch and create, create and swap. Panda is the next level DEX swap and launchpad designed for both professional Solana traders and beginners. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting out, Panda makes it easy and fast to swap tokens and even launch your own coin. No coding skills needed, which is definitely a big deal, especially for the people that are interested in starting their own coin here. But since I did kind of break all this down in the first video, I feel as though you should go ahead and check that out so that you can see everything, because I went through the entire website. But what we're going to go through is kind of where they are, I guess, right now. And I think we'll definitely get into the chart at the moment. The chart currently stands that it is around the 1 cent price point. If we look at the market cap, we're at a $7 million market cap with $2.8 million worth of volume, 19% up in the last day, which is fantastic to see, which is a 22, almost 23% volume to market cap ratio. Also, if you look at the amount of Panda that's out there, 90% is out there. So for the investors that care about dilution, that care about having their money taken from them or the value taken from them from the fact that they're just offering coins, 90% is released. So you don't have to worry about any of that dilution as you do get into a project that has a ton of potential. Again, built on the Solana chain, the total supply, you're looking at 888 million. Versus other ones that see either billions or multiple billions or hundreds of billions or even trillions of coins that are out there, meaning that you can't get to a reasonable price, but you can get to a reasonable price here. We're at a 1 cent price point and it's only a $7 million market cap if we round it up. If we look at the last 7 days, it's up by 95%. So this has definitely risen from the 40% of a penny level all the way up to where we are now, a 90% of a penny, almost at that penny level. If we look at the last month, we could see that, it has grown by 259%. And the highest market cap that we've seen to date, the all-time high, which hasn't displayed here, but the all-time high is $30 million worth of a market cap. So it's great to see that. And obviously that's through maybe the dilution phase and all that stuff, or, before it got listed on CoinMarketCap. But that really is the highest that we have seen here. Or actually, if we go back to March of 2024, you can see that you got up to a 2.4 cent price point. And that shows that it's around a $13 million market cap. So based on where you're looking at it and what the supply is at those moments, whether it's self-reported or it's something that's out there, you'll see that the all-time high was that point. But price point wise, you see the all-time high, 2.5 cents. All-time high here says it's 3 cents. And the all-time low looking at 0.00015 when you like to have had it then where we are now. Obviously you would have, because you would be looking at a 10x 20x up to some of these levels. So that's always great to see. If we compare it to other swaps, right, on Solana. You're comparing it to Jupiter. You're comparing it to Radium. Like Jupiter is at a $1 billion market cap. We're talking about from a $7 million market cap up to a $1 billion market cap, or up to a $2 billion market cap. You look at Radium, it's up to a $408 million market cap with $13 million worth of volume. So you see the potential of where Panda can actually go. Because it's a big deal, right? For me, at least, when I look at it, I see the potential in comparing it to things that are on the same market. Now, Pandaswap solves Solana's current issue with slow token swaps, and they're also releasing something called Panda Pad, its first product, in partnership with GoBit, a top firm managing over $1.3 billion in assets and 400 plus institutional clients. So if we go here and show you guys what that's all about, I want to go back here and show you what Pandaswap or Panda Pad is. The Panda Pad makes it an incredibly easy to launch your own token on Solana, even if you have no development skills. With just a great idea, a catchy name, and a small amount of funds, you can kickstart your project and aim for the moon. Fully community driven, with no team tokens or rugs, Panda Pad offers the most reliable decentralized launchpad on the market. When combined with our lightning fast swap platform, well, we set ourselves apart from the competition. So that's a big deal to, one, have the lightning fast swap mechanism, but then also be able to launch your own token if you truly wanted to do that without any worry of, rugs or team tokens and all of that stuff there, which is definitely a good deal. Also, again, they have the Panda Swap, which is the lightning fast swap. Pandaswap is the fastest, most advanced DEX on Solana, making Telegram bots feel slow and difficult to use. It combines everything you need: trading, sniping, limit orders, and buying bond curves on pump fun and moonshots. So obviously you have a lightning fast trading swap platform that you can have a better experience than if you were on Jupiter or on Radium. So I think you guys should definitely give it a look, even if it comes to just using Pandaswap. Right now, again, the project has been live for 5 months, and again, the team is actively building and developing. So to take you through a little bit of a demo, I mean, you have it where you can get it on your phone. You can easily swap. It's easy to use. It's built for traders. Lightning fast is what everybody wants on the Solana chain. And you can download it on the Apple Store as well as the Play Store, the Google Play Store. So feel free to go ahead and check that out as well for yourself. So honestly, this is something that is catching a little bit of attention, a little bit of interest that's out there, because it's giving you something you don't typically have with Radium, you don't typically have with Jupiter, and just making the Solana chain a lot better. So definitely go ahead and give that a look. I'll provide all of the links for Pandaswap down below, for Panda Pad down below, for the chart down below, so you guys can evaluate it yourself and make whatever investment you want to make. But this is honestly a great project that I've reviewed before, and I'm reviewing again, and it shows why I'm deciding to do that. I feel like it's at a good spot. The amount of growth that we've seen, the no dilution that you can have, literally fits what I talk about. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out all the links for Pandaswap down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.